How to remove viruses from your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove viruses or threats from your Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Windows security on your system. So for that, click on the search bar just at the bottom of your screen, and from your search for Windows security, and after you find it, click on open. Alright, so after you open the Windows security, you'll get such interface. So from here, click on the option virus and threat protection. Alright, so from this section, basically these features will provide you for the scanning for your virus and threat on your PC and laptop, and if you find any threats or viruses from here, you can easily delete all of the virus or threats from here. So you can do a quick scan from here, and after you click on this quick scan, it will automatically scan all of the viruses on your PC or laptop. So after the scan will complete, it will show any viruses or threats will found on your PC or laptop, and from there you can easily remove the virus and threats from your PC or laptop. So in this way you can manually delete the virus and threat protection on your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.